In this video, I will show you how you can enter diagnostics and repair mode on the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your iPhone, now just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold on the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And beneath the Apple logo, it should say Loading Recovery Options. As you can see, it is saying continue holding for recovery, and once it says loading recovery options, just release the side button. From here, just select diagnostics mode, then tap on restart iPhone. From here, just select continue and just connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. Then tap on done. Now just select agree. And once you do that, you will enter into diagnostics or repair mode. Now just tap on run diagnostics to see all the diagnostics options. Now once you're done using diagnostics and repair mode, now to exit this section, just tap on the three dots over here and select exit diagnostics. Now just tap on exit. And once the restart process is completed, you will exit diagnostics and repair mode. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.